You've got some eBay listings that are stagnant. They're not selling. The numbers, the data show they're not really getting many clicks or much interest. This little tip is going to change your life. So there's something about eBay's algorithm that loves fresh new listings. And if you've ever watched your statistics on a new listing, a lot of times you'll notice that initially, right when you post the item, you'll get a nice little boost in impressions and in clicks. And that's because there's something called the freshness factor. eBay's algorithm rewards new stuff. But if that stuff doesn't perform right away, guess what happens? It gets buried. And think about it, makes sense if you're eBay, because if something is new, it's full of possibilities. Maybe it's a really great product. Maybe it's going to sell really quickly. eBay is in the business of selling products fast because they don't want to waste their real estate, like their high-ranking real estate, on stuff that's not going to move. So you get this initial boost when you list your item. If it doesn't perform, it's going to slowly sort of start ratcheting down, and then eventually falling so far in the search results that like nobody's going to find it. So what does that mean for you guys? Well, I have a little rule, and that is I give everything 6 weeks. So if I list something, I'm going to watch it for about 6 weeks. And if I notice on the statistics that it becomes stagnant and just isn't really getting much interest, I'll relist it. So I won't start it new again. I'll end the listing, I'll sell similar, and I'll just get it put right back up, and it'll get that initial freshness boost once again. And I can't tell you how many times after doing that, I gave it the freshness boost, and then boom, I get a sale off of it. Now you have to be careful because you don't want to abuse this. If you get into the habit of doing this with all of your listings all of the time, eBay doesn't like this idea of taking down, putting back up. Plus, from a limit standpoint, it actually sucks up your limit. So every time you take something down and relist it, it counts as one of your listings towards whatever your monthly listing allotment is. So you want to be careful with that. Don't abuse this, but use it occasionally to refresh stuff that's become stagnant. I'm telling you, if you guys know kind of how eBay's ranking algorithm works, they call it Cassini. If you understand that, you can kind of take advantage of what it does, like in this instance, and get yourself better results.